Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so you'll never miss my videos, and also, it motivates me to make more videos like this. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Apex Legends Mobile Beta countries expand to 5 more places. Respawn Entertainment has announced that the current Apex Legends Mobile Beta test is not going to be restricted to only 2 countries for too much longer. Fortunately, the Apex Legends Mobile Beta countries will be expanding in the very near future to include more regions. Apex Legends Mobile Beta countries list will expand soon. Respawn announced this on the studio's Twitter account, revealing that the closed beta test will roll out to more countries than is offered currently. In total, there are 5 more countries that will be included in the upcoming expansion, bringing it to even more places around the world. This time around, it will be available in places outside of just Asia, including South America and Africa. Unfortunately, it will still be limited to only these countries, and much of the world will still be unable to play the mobile version of the Battle Royale game for the foreseeable future. The expanded Apex Legends Mobile Beta countries are going to include Indonesia, Peru, Colombia, Egypt, and Lebanon. Those 5 countries will join the 2 that are already available at this time. And players in those areas can go ahead and sign up for the chance to be in the closed test. How you can go about getting into the closed beta test is by heading on over to the Google Play Store in your country. So long as you are in one of those 5 countries, you will be able to find the mobile page for the port of Apex Legends to Android and can sign up for the closed beta test. More countries will be added in a few weeks. It is worth mentioning that there is no guarantee at all that you will be able to get into the closed beta through this method. But it is worth trying, as there will likely be a few thousand or so who will be let into the expansion of the Apex Legends Mobile Beta countries. While not everyone will be able to enter the closed beta initially, signing up will likely guarantee a spot later on when the beta test expands even further to allow for more users overall. Respawn has already noted that it would grow over time, and this is but the first step in making that happen. As for when the Apex Legends Mobile Beta countries will open up to allow for these 5 newly announced areas to play the game, that is not completely known at this time. No release date was announced for the closed beta test for those 5 areas in this tweet. However, we do know that it is going to be happening in the next few weeks. So the wait will not likely be too long for now. When the closed beta does drop, players will have the chance to check out the mobile port of Apex Legends in all of its compressed and reworked glory. As we have already seen from the initial weeks of the closed beta test, the graphics for Apex Legends Mobile are currently in a very much in development stage. The game does not look the best on mobile platforms, but it is a work in progress and there have already been some improvements. That said, the game is built from the ground up to work on mobile with a slightly different feel and control scheme to match that of the mobile devices, while still retaining the maps, characters, and overall battle royale experience that is already available on all consoles and PC. But given that the Apex Legends mobile title is virtually its own take on the battle royale game from Respawn Entertainment, there is not going to be any cross-play or cross-progression that we know of right now with the mainline version of the game on consoles and PC. Instead, it will likely only connect the 2 mobile versions of the Android and future iOS ports together to play with one another online. For now, though, it is likely that we will have to wait for more details in the future to find out what exactly the Apex Legends mobile version is going to be. Apex Legends Mobile Beta is currently available in India and the Philippines. As of the time of writing this, the Apex Legends Mobile Beta countries expansion has not started just yet. However, it is currently available in the initial 2 countries of India and the Philippines, where the closed test first started on Android. Only a few thousand or so players were let in from those 2 countries, and we imagine the same will happen with the 5 new ones being added soon. That said, this is a quick expansion of the closed test, so we imagine that there will be more countries and players added in the near future. There is also the possibility of trying to download the APK and OBB files for the Apex Legends Mobile Beta from your own country if you are unable to get in, and you might be able to enter the closed beta test. However, this is something that is not guaranteed at all. You may have to try a VPN to make the Android device think that you are in that country at this time so that you will be able to access the servers there and play it. But even that might not work if there is a workaround in place where only the emails associated with the Google Play Store sign up are allowed in. If this is the case, you would then need to have signed up on the Google Play Store for the beta and be allowed in to be able to check out the closed beta test from another country. Regardless, stay tuned for more details in the future about other countries being added to the list.